Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-boy tutorial. Today I will have a deep explanation on how to do the two steps. So I already did this tutorial, but I still having a lot of questions from you guys, asking me a lot of questions on this move. So hopefully this video today will answer all of that questions. Okay, now without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Step to step is a version for two steps, so if you are having difficulty doing two steps, you should learn two steps first. You can check out my first step to 7-step tutorial. So two step is in that tutorial as well, so you can learn it first before you try to learn this two steps. The second move that you need to learn is the step freeze or the turtle freeze. So for this two step, there are a lot of step or the turtle freeze going on. So if your wrist not strong enough to hold your body up, you might get injured. So recap, two moves that you need to know. The first one is the normal two step and the second one is the turtle freeze or step freeze. We're gonna start with two steps. I won't explain or go deep into two-step tutorial because I expect you guys already know how to do two steps. Alright, so now we're gonna do two steps. Okay, so from here you can see that my left leg is straight. By the way, I'm kind of clockwise. Alright, so if you're clockwise, then my right leg is the straight leg. From here, you're gonna bend your left leg and we're gonna continue with another two steps. So here's when I do the step freeze. Alright, so when you swing, I move all my upper body weight to the front, as you can see. The next step is you want to do the step freeze. Alright, so while you're putting your upper body moving forward, you want to place your left hand down and your upper body, put it on the side of your belly here. Okay, from there you're gonna bring your upper body up. Here's the tricks and tips. A lot of you guys fail doing this move is because you're leaning too forward. Okay, when I say you need to commit, I didn't mean you have to do the exact turtle freeze like your head is really low. You know, when I say you need to commit is when you step, you really put the step in, but you have to control the weight. Do not go too low, because the next step you're going to do is you have to push your left hand, which is my step hand here, up. So if you're going too low, you will have a huge problem to pull your body up because it's too heavy. Okay, so again, commit to the step but control the step. You got me? So one more time. From here, you can see I didn't lean like doing the freeze here. I just lean a bit forward while my left hand is stabbing to my side of my belly. Okay, after doing so, your leg is gonna be wide open because you are gonna continue to do the second step. From here, you need to push your left hand up. Okay, so you are back to the two-step positions again. From here again, you're gonna continue and do the same thing. Now watch closely again on how I do this move. Look at my body while I do the steps. You can see my upper body is down so that I can do the step freeze, but immediately I push my upper body up again. Okay, so two things that happen on the same time. You step, but immediately use your upper body to bring your upper body up, and use your left hand, the step hand, push so that your upper body can go up faster and not heavy. So from there you can continue with the two steps. Now I'm gonna do two steps. From there I'm gonna do the step freeze, but I'm gonna do it very slow. Here we go. Normal two steps, step freeze, step freeze. There it is, the two steps hopefully this video can give you guys a better understanding and better explanation on these steps. Okay, hopefully that you guys who watched the previous video that have a lot of questions mark, this answer all of that questions. But if you're still having problem or still having questions, just let me know in the comment section below and I will try my best to reply to you guys. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.